This is an orange tree. Okay, let me explain to you. Why are there flowers there? So this is the only orange that's picked from the tree. It's bigger than the flower. Actually, this was the ovary of the flower. So let me explain to you about pollination, fertilization, and the development of seeded fruits. Flowering plants, I mean. So first, there is a flower here, right? It's out of focus. Probably out of focus. Okay, this flower's good. So this flower had just been pollinated by ants. Can't see it? There are ants here. There are ants here. They're trying to pollinate the flower. You can't see? You can see that those are ants. They just pollinated this flower, and they're currently pollinating this flower. Actually, there might be other pollinators too, like bees, birds, spiders. I mean, this is the process of pollination. But then after that, I'm going to pick another flower. This is a flower. I hope the ant doesn't bite me. This is a flower. And you see that green tiny... It's out of focus. It's out of focus. See that green thing right there? You don't see it? Oh. I thought I got bitten by now. So itchy. It's out of focus, so let's go to the flower anatomy, the real flower anatomy, and we're going to cut open one of these flowers. So we're going to cut open this flower, and we are going to go inside. We're going to go inside and cut open this flower. And how did this turn into an orange? You might need to wear gloves for this. So this is my flower that I just picked up. And now I'm just going to pick it up I'm just going to cut it up upstairs, okay? I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to use tissue as a cutting board. Okay, here we are. This is where I usually eat breakfast. So we're going to cut open this orange and cut open this flower. I'm going to grab my scissors. So I grab my scissors. They're right here. Oh, this scissors is too big. Let me grab another pair of scissors. I think this will work well. So first... Wait, I think we need to get a knife. That's okay, we have to be safe. First, I'm going to cut open the orange. My technique is this. First, I'm going to cut open the orange. Oops. Ah. It's okay. It's okay, I'm good. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna get the juice out. And then I'm going to cut the orange peel. You see these right here? There are seeds in this orange. This is a seed. It should be, these are the seeds, hold up. These are the seeds. If you don't see this seed, see? Let's cut open the flower. So let's, this pollination now. So the, I just cut open the petal, hold up. So this, as you can see, the yellow thing is pollen. Hold up. See the yellow thing I'm holding there? See the yellow thing I'm holding? The yellow thing I'm holding, the yellow thing, the dust-like things, they are pollen grains. We're supposed to, I'm gonna rub the pollen grains on the tissue. After that, I'm going to take off the petals here. So the petals are taken off, and this is what it looks like, the flower. And I am going to take out the staples. I'm going to take out one of the staples, and this is what it looks like in the inside. Oh, it's out of focus again, maybe. It's out of focus. It's out of focus. It's out of focus. What? Yes. It's out of focus. There we go. You see these right here? You see the green thing right there? The green part is the female part, and the yellow are the male parts. So the yellow parts are the anther, and the anther, you see that right there? See that right there? The anther. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, up close. Actually, the anthers are microscopic. They're not that microscopic though. And you see that green circle right there? A tiny little green circle right there. The tiny little green circle right there on the top beside the anthers. The green circle on the top is the stigma. Hold up. Out of focus. Yeah? You see that green circle up top of there? That green circle is the stigma. This is where the pollen grains go. And then they'll go out. Sorry. It's actually small by hand. It's actually a bit small. So, start focus again. See that? And then it goes down the tube, the style, and then it goes to this other green compartment down in the bottom of the plant. Flower. That is the ovary. And then there are tiny little things called ovules. Let's take out the anther. Let's take out the anthers. And this, so let me separate the male parts and the female parts. it's actually sticky inside the female part. This is the female part of the plant, and the male parts I just taken out. Now we're going to have the male parts. The male parts are called the anther. The anther are the yellow things right there, and the ones that are going through the anther is the filament. So the one I'm holding here is the filament. I'm holding the filament. The filament holds the anther. So, and then, okay, this tiny thing, the tiny ovary, the little itsy bitsy weensy tiny little thing, this itsy weensy little ovary will develop into the fruit. This is the fruit. The ovary will develop into this, and the ovules inside will develop into the seed.
Done?
Oh, my pancakes are here. So let's review. Hold up, I'm going to take you in the model. I'm going to take you to the model. Let's unfocus our zoom, because we don't need the zoom. So I actually drew the model. So first, this is the anther, and it has tiny little dust-like particles called pollen grains. And after the bee pollinizes here, and then after the bee pollinates the plant, they will go straight down through the stigma, the style, and then to the ovary. And this is the ovule, the tiny little thing right here. After that, the ovary and the ovule's nucleus will fuse. After that, the ovule will develop into a seed, and the ovary will develop into the fruit inside. So, and then the seed could be planted, and then the plant will grow, and the flower will grow, and then the process will again and again, will go again and again. So, if you like this information video, please hit that like button, and please subscribe. Bye.